so today I'm gonna do exactly like I said. I'm gonna pull my truck up that hill. It's pretty steep and it's pretty long, but I think, hey, I think I can do it. I'm gonna tie this rope to my truck and I'm gonna wear these gloves for safety. For safety. You guys don't do this. Sorry, don't mean to litter. But don't do this, guys. Don't try this at home. This isn't safe. I'm the one that's crazy. You're not crazy, but I'm crazy. Remember that. So we're gonna tie it up and we're gonna pull up the hill. Hopefully it isn't a lot of traffic, but if it is, they have to deal with it.
Soldier. I'm a soldier. Da 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 da. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. Da 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 da. I'm a soldier. Soldier. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. These shoulders hold up so much they won't budge. I'll never fall or fold up. I'm a soldier. Even if my collarbones crush or crumble, I will never slip or stumble. I'm a soldier. These shoulders hold up so much they won't budge. I'll never fall or fold up. I'm a soldier. These shoulders hold up so much they won't budge. I'll never fall or fold up. I'm a soldier.
You guys, don't skip leg day. Woo! Thanks for watching another video. I'm so thirsty. Take these stupid gloves off.
Show the tabs one time.
What's that?
Show the tabs one time.
I can't look at my leg, it's so swole right now. Oh my gosh. My leg's never been this big. They're still little, but they're big. You guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, and good night.